I'm Jen Kelland with Real of Ohio. I'm a realtor here in Columbus, and I'm sitting here with a mortgage professional and a new construction professional, and we are going to talk about the 50-year mortgages and how those are affecting the real estate market, how they may help or deter buyers. We're going to kind of talk about it.
Hi, I'm Monica Fiola. I'm with Cross Country Mortgage. And so, yeah, I'm going to answer some of those questions that anyone might have on those.
My name is Chelsea Baker, and I work for DR Horton.
So, Monica, tell us a little bit about your perspective on the 50-year mortgage. There's concerns from everyone about the amount of interest that people are going to be paying, and there's some kind of general negativity towards this program. So what are your thoughts on it?
Right, and I agree. I have seen a lot of people getting pretty heated about that. Unpopular opinion, I don't think the 50-year mortgage is a bad thing. I think that it gives those potential homeowners just a little bit of hope. And sometimes that's all you need is just that little bit of hope, and it just like sparks something in you, gets you excited to buy. And then that client can be connected with a realtor and then with a lender. Now, of course, you want to make sure that you're getting a lender that has a lot of experience and can give that client knowledge. So you want to make sure they understand what they're getting into. Yes, you are going to have a lower payment because it's over a longer span of time, but with that, you'll be paying higher interest. We don't know for sure the fees associated, the interest rates, how much higher those may be versus a 30-year, but definitely we have other options. So make sure that the lender that you're referring to is experienced, because we can look at something maybe an interest only, maybe an ARM. If it's a client that is doing a lower down payment and there's PMI, maybe we could pay upfront PMI, and that takes quite a bit off the monthly payment.
Yeah, okay, that's awesome. Good information. Chelsea, what are your thoughts on opportunities with 50-year mortgages and new construction? Do you think it creates more opportunity, less?
I mean, absolutely. We all know that there is an affordability crisis, not just in Columbus, Ohio, but nationwide. So there are a lot of people that truly cannot afford to be home buyers, and we want to try to do everything that we can to make sure that, we're not excluding anybody. And this might be the option. It might be, what's getting people in the door. Is it a long-term goal or solution? Probably not. Just because you're going to be spending so much over the course of the 50-year, but it's getting someone in the door that may not have been able to afford a home previously.
Right. Realistically, these home buyers are not going to be in the homes for 50 years. Right. We're looking at refinancing,
right.
And I think this really could be a great opportunity for younger people, single parents. I mean,
self-employed buyers.
Yeah. I mean, to refinance that mortgage, down the road, I think could really be beneficial, and could be a great opportunity.
It's just an education piece for your buyer, honestly.
Yeah. In short, I think, having an educated buyer, having a good lender with knowledge on these things, real estate advisors that, you trust is going to be key, and a key component in making these decisions on your loan term, those kind of things. So thanks, Monica.
Definitely, yeah, of course.
Yeah. Chelsea.